I'm going to show you how you can program your own video games on your very own laptop computer. First it needs to be turned on, I guess. Just wait for it to boot up. It's plugged in. It's not coming on all the way. Well, you always need specialty tools when working on a laptop. Unfortunately, someone stole all my tools. I'm thinking it's the power supply. It won't turn on. She's plugged in. I mean, it's just doing So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this knife and ram it back here. You don't want to do that, by the way. Looks like we're going to have to take her apart. A screwdriver and a wrench. And yet again, my tools were stolen, so unfortunately the only wrench I have is this one. Maybe that fixed her. Now she's not wanting to do anything. They sure do make shoddy equipment nowadays. Let's try that one more time. Wonder what that is. Probably nothing. Where's that knife? Turns out here we go. Here's how you get her apart. Probably should unplug her first. You want to make sure you got a stable work platform when you're working on a computer. If it fell on the floor, it might break. What's this? The enter key came off. It's weird what things you have to take off first to get the computer apart. Looks like this needs to come out. Look at me, I'm a typist. You might be able to customize your car with that and make some sort of a homemade sat-nav. Anyway, I'm not seeing any problem with the computer. I think it must be in the screen. I don't know how you take the screen apart. There's a little chip that came off the back of it. There you go. That's how you get it out. You got to get this little thing off the back, apparently. This in there. Nope. 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 Alright, I think I see the problem. You gotta get it off on the back side of it. There. You gotta make sure you don't cut yourself when you're doing this. There. Now I got her. You might find your laptop's a little bit different than this one, and that working on it, you want to do different things than I'm doing. This is how you take my screen apart, though. I'm pretty sure. We got another piece off of her. There goes another piece, and another, and then another. That's basically how you get your laptop apart. You gotta get yourself one of these wrenches, and then basically that's all there is to it. And once you got her apart, you're gonna have to contact some technical maintenance, probably over the telephone or something, to figure out what's wrong with it and how to put it back together.